We are washing our hair outside. Get my oils, set it up. I started with the light build-up remover. I had it in my hair for about the last 30 minutes just to cut a ponytail which had glue, gel, oils, and all kind of other butter. So let's see how this cleans my scalp. Next thing I'm going to be using is the lavender and lychee shampoo. This is supposed to cleanse the scalp and hair for the relief of flakes associated with dandruff. Let's turn it up the fan. Alright, so with the build-up remover, you can tell so it kind of clean up the scalp a little bit because it don't really feel with cakey gel, and I feel like the build-up remover is doing what it's supposed to do, and it also left my scalp feeling a little moisturized as well. So I like that. So now we're using the shampoo. Probably I forgot to like an update on how I feel about this. The smell is not overpowering, so if you're worrying about like a strong smell, I'm not getting that from the shampoo. Yeah, because you know sometimes some of these shampoos, especially when you hear fruit is included, yeah, it can definitely give off a strong smell. But the shampoo is not giving me. It smells really sweet, but it's definitely not giving me like a super strong overbearing smell. One down, another one to go. This is the best one I'm gonna be in. We're gonna be using the lavender and lychee conditioner, and I've been dying to get to this right, guys. This is not how I expected this hair wash to go. Nice and thick. Ooh, wow, it feels so soft and buttery. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, maybe a little bit more, but need some more.